1. Preparing the diapers. Place 5 to 6 different candy bars into 5 to 6 microwave-safe bowls. 2. Melt the candy bars in the microwave until they have liquefied. 3. Spoon a candy bar into a diaper until you've filled all 6 diapers. 4. Set the diapers on a table and number each diaper with a permanent marker. 5. Write down the correct candy bar associated with each number on a separate piece of paper. 6. Playing the game. Provide a piece of paper and a pencil to each guest. 7. Allow the guests to examine and sniff the diapers. 8. Instruct your guests to write down the names of the candy bars they think are in each diaper. Make sure they also write their names on their papers. 9. Place a basket at the end of the diaper table to collect the guests' entries. 10. Check the entries. The guest who matches the most poo to the correct candy bars wins the game. If you have multiple correct entries, then draw for a winner. 11. Give the winner a party favor bag filled with an assortment of the chocolate candy bars that you used in the game.